Hello face, it's Kat here, and yes, it has been a while. What's up? How's it going? You know, I kind of went through it. I know I've said this a lot every time I go away, mental health. We'll talk about that in another video, but hey, what's up? It's Halloween time. It's spooky season, and I want to get spooky. So today I thought we would kind of just hang out, do a little succubus makeup, little sexy demon, because I feel like doing a shoot for my OnlyFans tonight where I'm like spooky and sexy. So, oh yeah, by the way, I have an OnlyFans. Subscribe. But yeah, no, I really wanted to do a fun little makeup that was spooky and scary. It's actually like kind of inspired by a makeup look I did years ago. Like, I remember I was trying to do like this 365 days of makeup thing on my Instagram, and that did not happen. I did not make it, of course. But I really like being spooky. It's my favorite thing. I know I'm very like girly and pastel and cottagecore fairy, but I like to be spooky. I like demons, I like ghosts, I love blood. I am all about it. And it's Halloween time, and I just want to get dressed up and have some fun because I feel like I haven't done that in a while, and I just want to hang out and do some makeup. So let's get started. I already have my face primed. That's all ready to go. So let's kind of move on into some foundation. I'm going into a foundation that's kind of lighter than my skin because I want to pale myself out because, I mean, I know I'm already pale, but I need to be paler. So like, I love NYX. I love them so much. I love this foundation. But literally, this pump always gets clogged. Like, ugh, every time I go to use it, I have to unclog it. That's my only complaint. And then it splatters everywhere once I get it to unplug. I'm like flinching. I don't want to ruin my outfit. Is it not gonna come out? But yeah, no. Have you ever have that problem though with this foundation? Like literally every time I use it, I have to like get in there with a needle and just pluck it out so I can use it again. Hello, hi. It's been a while since I talked on camera, so I'm sorry if I'm awkward or I don't even know. But let's put on foundation. I'm just gonna put that everywhere. I feel like everyone knows how to put on foundation. Normally I start off videos with it on, so like I just get bored watching people put foundation on. So I'm gonna speed this up. Just don't forget your ears. I know like my ears will be covered, but like don't forget them. Then you're gonna go in with a super light concealer, just conceal like normal. Again, you wanna be pale. Can you believe that there once was a time where this was my actual matching skin? I actually got some sun this summer, so for all those people who think I don't go outside, I don't. I went out like once. But hey, I got a tan. Now I'm going to set this off with translucent powder, and then we can get on to the fun part of the tutorial, which is not the base. Okay, so I went and just did my brows off camera real quick. One, because it's just, again, boring to watch. And two, I can't find my actual brow brush, so I just did my brows with, like, the thickest angled brush ever. So, they're not that cute, but they're on. They look a little angry because we're a little demon. We're gonna do some demon things. I'm sorry, I really need to get back to learning how to film and talk again. I'm sorry, I'm just really awkward, and we're just gonna do some makeup now. We're gonna get into the fun part where we're just gonna put a bunch of red all over the eyes. I have literally made video dedicated to how much I love red eyeshadow, and honestly, red has become my power color, so the more red I can put on me, the better. So I'm gonna go in with the LA Splash Classic Horror palette because I feel like it is perfectly fitting for this succubus look. It's all about monsters and horror and Halloween, and just like look at these colors, even though we're literally just gonna be using these two because red. So let's go in with a fluffy brush and just start blowing this all over the eyes. I'm gonna go into the shade 13th, which is just this bright red color, and we are just gonna start applying this all over our eyes, really blowing it out. This is like our main color Red is what we are all about. I really love just the idea of succubuses in general, just hot, sexy demons luring weak men in, stealing their souls, and just gaining more life. Honestly, goals, right? I'm really all about just feeling powerful and hot and destructive. That's just the vibe right now. 2020 has just kind of opened up this new side of me where I just want to destroy. So yeah, I'm just kind of going to go this in, blend it out, and just kind of focus this kind of like around like a cat eye, I guess, maybe. I'm pretending like I have an actual plan, but really I just saw these horns at Walmart and I was like, you know what'd be fun? Making a video. So here we are. So I'm just going to start blending this out. I know it looks a little rough right now, but we're just starting, we're just beginning. This is only the beginning. I really just want to blow this out though. I'm bringing it out really far too, just like all the way out. I'm going to start bringing this towards the tip of my nose as well. Kind of chiseling out my nose at the top with this and bring it up towards my brow and just blending it kind of like that up into my eyebrow. And then I'm going to take this same shadow on the same brush and just start running it on the lower lash line as well, connecting it. Really hollowing out, doing the whole Gerard Way Revenge era thing that you know I love. Just a lovely red hollowed eye. Again, right now we're just looking sickly, but once we add more reds, we're gonna look more sick. I kind of want to add a brighter red just because like my harness and my bra and everything I'm wearing right now is like a bright red. So I'm gonna go into the Trinity in Tokyo palette by BH Cosmetics. And I'm going in with this red shade Fashion. Obviously, if you don't have this or any of the products I'm using, use things similar. So the other one was kind of like a darker red. This is like a bright hot red. And we're going to start running that in through the crease just to really brighten it up. I like the like grunginess of the other one as a base, but I really just want some bright colors. So I feel like this will add that to what I'm looking for. There we go. And then we're going to also just run a little bit of that towards the nose bridge. Now that we got that bright red in there, we're going to deepen it up again. So we had the base grunge, some bright, and now we're going to go back into the classic horror palette. And we're going to go into the shade Nightmare, which is this like deep burgundy, and we're going to start just kind of putting that in the outer corner and deepening it up. Looking spooky, ready to go. You guys want to know an actual fun fact about me? So I really love succulents. They are like one of my favorite things right now. I have bought quite a bit this summer, and but for the longest time, honestly, still find myself doing it. I'll be talking about succulents and then I just call them succubuses, and then everyone's just looking at me and I'm like, yeah, you know, like I'm really into succubuses right now. It's just like my thing. I just love going to store and buying more succubuses. And they're like, cat? Do you mean succulents? And I'm like, that's what I've been saying this whole time. Now I'm going in with a red eyeliner and I'm just going to put that on my waterline just to really connect the eyeshadow below to my line. Just kind of make everything dark and sickly and vampy and demony. Okay, we're gonna take a quick break from the eyes, let them get a chance to breathe, and we're gonna do some more fun on the face, and I'll decide how I actually want to finish the eyes. This is just a base. We're gonna go back into Nightmare and use this as our contour shade. And so I kind of want to make it so I have like a higher angled cheekbone. I already have high cheekbones, but I want to mimic that, like they're like super defined. So I'm going in, I'm kind of drawing it in at a curve. So I'm doing like a C. And also just bringing it up to my temples. This is going to be weird because I'm not going to be doing a lot of blush with this look. I'm going to be focusing more on the contour. And I'm bringing it all the way there. Kind of doing a Trixie Mattel contour, but not at the same time. Okay, so I'm not doing blush for this look, but I cannot help myself, and I'm gonna need something on the tip of my nose. Then I'm going to take a red mascara and just run that on my lower lashes. And then I'm going to take a red glitter and I'm going to apply that all over the lid. I'm just going to set a base with this Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter. Honestly, one of the best bases for any glitter, and honestly just the best glitter ever. Like, if we're being honest, I want to own every single color of the Heavy Metal glitters. And I ran out of space on my thing, but I'm just literally still putting glitter on my lid, so. And then I'm just going to take a yellowy, goldy, orangey highlight color and pop that into the center of my eye just to open it up a little bit. And then I'm going to take that same color. I'm actually just using Eclipse from the Anastasia Aurora palette. And I'm going to start applying that as a highlighter everywhere. I put on lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, now we're going to finish off this look with a dark vampy lip. I'm just going in with Nightshade from Lime Crime. Alright, let me fix my hair and put in my teeth and we'll be ready to go. So I put on my horns properly now and added my teeth and I put on my cute little harness and I'm just feeling really cute. I am a little sexy demon, which is just dreams and goals. Honestly, like, I feel so cute when I put fake teeth in. Like, I just love fangs. I don't know if it's maybe because I was like obsessed with vampires growing up or what, but like I just feel 10 times hotter right now than I normally do. And I swear it's because of these fangs. Even though, like, you can kind of tell that my teeth aren't that white. But I still love them. I'm just really feeling myself right now, guys. I'm sorry. I know it's been, like, a really long time since I've filmed. And I'm really sorry about that. And I promise, once spooky season is over, we can hang out and talk and just get real about kind of what went down these past few months and what I've been going through. But I just really want to enjoy Halloween and not think about everything that happened this summer and just kind of have fun. So we thought I'd start off with this simple one because who doesn't love being a sexy demon? Like you are just ready to go find yourself a nice hot young man and steal their soul. But yeah, I'm feeling really cute right now. I can't wait to do my photo shoot later. I love this harness. I love the whole outfit I'm wearing. You can only see the top part, but it's pretty cute. I'm literally just wearing lingerie right now. But yeah, I am really loving how I look, and I just want to thank you guys again for staying around and kind of just hanging out while I've been gone. I promise once spooky season is over, we'll get in deep, and I just really want to dress up and have some fun in costumes. I feel really cute right now and I'm feeling really good, so thank you guys again so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please get a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I would just be really, really proud of you guys, and I promise I am going to get so much better at not being awkward again and just being casual and fun on the camera. It's just been a minute. So thank you guys again so much. Again, subscribe. That'd be really cool. I hope you stay lovely. Bye!